Today we're talking about how to get some points easting and northing from Excel to AutoCAD. So I have an Excel sheet now, have the point name and northing and easting of every point. So I will hide the other data like that. Okay, I will use only easting and northing. So let's see how I will use the order point on AutoCAD without using the mouse, only by keyboard. So I will enter PO, then space. So AutoCAD will demand the first point. A point means easting, comma, northing. So let's assume the first point is 10, comma, 10, and then space. So it will draw a point at 10 and 10. We can use another point style so that we can see the point like that, 0.1, or let's make it a little bigger like that. Okay, so to put another point I will use the order again, PO space, let's assume 20 by 20, so 20 comma 20 space, and for the other point, the third point, PO space 30 comma 30, and so on for the whole point. So how can I do like that on Excel? I want to make a sentence contains PO space easting comma northing. I want to make a sentence like that. So I will use the formula concatenate, CONCATENATE. Then I will open a practice. So it's waiting for the first text. So the first text in my sentence is PO. So I will put PO between double brackets like that. Double brackets can be made by shift with T, the Arabic letter T. It's beside the enter key. Okay, then I will make a comma to get to the text 2. Okay, the text 2 is space, so I will put space between double brackets like that. Double brackets, space, double brackets. Okay, then I will get to text 3 by comma. What is the text 3 in my sentence? So I put PO, then space, then AutoCAD will say specify first point, so it needs the easting of the first point. So the easting of the first point is this cell G7, or something else, I don't know, but that's G7 in this Excel sheet. So I will get to text 4 by comma. What is text 4? PO space easting comma. I need a comma now, so I will put comma between double brackets like that. Double brackets, comma, double brackets. Then we will put a comma to get to text 5. What is text 5 in my sentence? Is PO. Now I have PO space easting comma, so I need northing. Northing is F7 in this Excel sheet. F7. Okay, now I have ended my sentence. So I have a sentence now contains PO space easting comma northing. That's it. That's what I want. So I will copy this cell like that. and I will paste it on AutoCAD like that. So I will have a point now on the same coordinates. Okay, let's get to the Excel again, and I will apply this formula for the whole point like that. I will double click here. I will double click when the arrow get to this shape, the black shape. Okay, double click. So the formula will be applied on all the points. So I will copy this set of sentences or data. Okay, we'll select it to here, and I will copy it, and I will paste it on AutoCAD. Let's delete that first and then paste here. So I have my points here in the same coordinates. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Engineer Muhammad El Hili.